Your heart's pounding, your vision narrows, and breathing feels impossible. This sensation is a panic attack. In under 2 minutes, you can regain control. First, we'll use the Dive Reflex. Think of this as your nervous system's immediate reset button. Prepare a bowl of icy cold water, or grab some ice cubes if you have them nearby. Splash your face with the cold water, or press the ice cubes firmly against your wrists and temples. This sudden cold rapidly slows your heart rate, redirecting blood flow throughout your body. It sends a clear message to your brain. The emergency is over. It's a powerful physiological interrupt. Next, let's practice grounding. Panic often pulls your mind away from reality. You need to anchor yourself back to the present moment. The 5-4-3-2-1 method is incredibly effective. Start by identifying 5 distinct things you can clearly see around you. Look closely at their details. Then, notice 4 different things you can feel. Perhaps the texture of your clothes, the chair beneath you, or your own skin. Next, focus on 3 specific sounds you can hear. Tune into the ambient noises around you. Now, try to identify 2 things you can smell. Take a few deep sniffs to engage this sense. Finally, acknowledge 1 thing you can taste. Even the taste of your own saliva counts. Finally, it's time to control your breath, but not just any breath. Focus on a forced, slow exhale. Panic often makes you gasp for air, making your brain believe it's suffocating, which intensifies the fear. Instead, purse your lips tightly and exhale very slowly, as if you're blowing through a tiny straw. Crucially, make your exhale twice as long as your inhale. This specific breathing pattern is key. Repeat this controlled breathing 3 to 5 times. Inhale for a count of 2, then exhale slowly for a count of 4. You did it. You successfully interrupted the panic. Practice these techniques. You hold the power to calm your brain. You are safe.